Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the beach waves, very soft, natural waves. And you need is the color. I took it the bigger size. Brand is Babyliss. Okay, and I kept it already on. And I kept it on 200 temperature. And as always, I keep my trolley ready. I kept the spray here, section clips, tail comb, and heat protector, so that when you do the curls, if you spray the hair heat protector, it will protect your hair from the heat. So I'm going to start now. Open my hair. I already did my blow dry because in the video I cannot take long, so I kept it ready. When you are doing the beach waves, soft curls, your end should be neat. Can you see? Clear. Okay, I'm going to do is I'm going to spray. Okay, I'm done. And then now I'll take the section. I will not take so many sections today. I will take one section in the down and one section in the up. Okay, I'm going to wear my gloves so that I will not burn myself. It's better for yourself when you are doing the curls for yourself. You will wear hand gloves. It's better so that you will be not afraid of burning yourself. Okay, so the first section, you can keep your color like this. This is Babyliss brand. Okay, sorry. So I will take my first section here and put this on inside. When you are using the bigger rod, it will be more softer. If you like soft curls like beach waves, it's better you use such kind of rods. Can you see them? It's so pretty, and when you will open it, you will be so happy. It will give you a natural look. Okay, if you want to tie your hair, please tie it, and if you want to make your ends little smoother, after the blow dry still you feel it's not smooth, pull it with the curler little. Can you see that? But I miss one piece here. This one I will take again. Still it is not done. And when you will do the, see, I'm holding the rod but I cannot feel any heat. So when you are doing your hair, it's better you use the gloves. Can you see the curls? These are very soft one, and you will feel very natural. If you are not comfortable to do, just catch it like this, turn it, pull it down and turn it, and you are done. It's easy. Then the one I showed you before, see, so soft look. I'm done this side. I will make this one to part. Okay, I will tie it up this part. My hand gloves. Okay, and I will start taking on this side. Maybe I took the one here. I start from back section so that it will be not clumsy when I finish. I don't want to do in the front as I told you before, because you will tie them up and then they will become clumsy. So try to do it in the back. For the soft curl, no need to keep long time, just turn it 2 times and pull it down, and they are done. stick, open it up, catch it like this, turn your rod and then turn and go down. And you are done. Just done. If you want beachy look, beach waves look, then don't curl your ends, leave them out like the one I did in the first. But in this I don't have strength, they will look very scanty, so I did the curl until down. Can you see? Very nice. These are soft curls. No need to give them so much heat. If you are doing daily basis, apply the heat protector spray, and then you can do it daily so that your hair will not be damaged. Without the heat protector, please don't do every day, otherwise it may damage your hair, because every day your hair cannot bear the heat. It will make your hair dry, so better use the heat protector as I used. Many brands you can get in many brands. Any brand you can use, not necessary which I use, you will use the same. All the heat protectors are good. See, I'm not giving them so much heat, I'm just twisting and bringing them down. Very soft, and it's giving you volume. If you feel your hair is scanty, no volume in your hair, that time you can do the soft curls, just to give them little volume. No need to give so much heat, as I'm doing it. Be very careful when you are near to your face. Maybe you will go to the wrong direction and it will touch to your face. Okay. Anything, if you are playing with the heat, always be very careful. This one I feel very soft. I will make one more time. Comparing to this side, this is very soft than this side. This is why I am making it one more time. Okay. If you feel anything like that, you can repeat it one more time. That's it, and I am done. I will remove and I will show you the final look. These are very soft, guys, than the one I showed you before. So I will take my spray, Be Beauty Stronghold, okay, extra strong. See, very quick and very fast, but very beautiful. So these are the things we have to do when you feel boring or something, you have dinner or lunch, or you are going to meet someone, you can do. I love to do. I always love to tie my hair here. So I took the bobby pin, I take my hair, I twist here, and then I will pin it up, and I am done. Hope you guys like it. If you like it, please if you guys like it, please try to do yourself. And so, from back side you can see these are very soft, very soft. Okay, so see you guys with the new video. If you like it, if you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that my new videos you will not miss. Okay, see, these are very soft, but it gave you a volume. See you again with the new video. Until then, take care, be safe. Bye bye.